Okay, so we have to find the following currents and voltages. So let's start by doing a mesh. So this is I1 and this is I2. Let's write the equation for I1. So it'll start by being minus 30 volts plus 8I1 plus 3 times I1 minus I2, because the 3 ohm is between I1 and I2, and I1 is going this way and I2 is going the opposite way. Now let's simplify this. So it'll be minus 30 plus 8I1 plus 3I1 minus 3I2. We have two like terms, so it'll be minus 30 plus 11I1 minus 3I2. Okay, so this is our first equation. We have that down. Now let's move on to our second mesh. So we see it starts by passing through 3 ohm. So it'll be 3 times I2 minus I1, because I2 is going in this way, I1 is going in the opposite way, plus 6I2. And that's it for the second mesh. Let's simplify it. So it'll be 3I2 minus 3I1 plus 6I2. We have two like terms, so 3 plus 6, that's 9. So it'll be 9I2. Now since this is equal to 0, let's bring this to the other side. So it'll be 9I2 equals 3I1. Divide both sides by 3. So we have 3I2 equals I1. Okay, that's the first bit we got done. Now let's simplify that into our first equation. So we have minus 30 plus 11 3I2 minus 3I2, and remember this is all equal to 0. Then so it'll be minus 30 plus 33I2 minus 3I2 equals 0. Two like terms, 33I2 minus 3I2, that's just 30I2. Okay, and if I2 is 1, then this will equal to 0. So then, or we could say bring the 30 to the other side, so it'll be 30I2 equals 30, and if I2 is 1, then that checks everything out. And since we know I2 is 1, we can substitute that into here. So it'll be 3 times 1 equals I1. So that means I1 is actually 3 amps. Okay? So we solved for this one. I1, that is equal to 3 amps. 3 amps. And I3, that's equal to 1 amp. And you may be thinking, wait, isn't I2 1 amp? But no, because we were working with mesh 2. See, mesh 2 is moving in this way. It's moving in I3's way. Okay? So what will I2 be? I2 will be pretty much the difference of these two meshes. Honestly, I should have called these IA and IB. That would make it much more easier, because we're already working with I1, I2, and I3. So actually, let's call it IA and IB. Okay? So this one will be IA, this one will be IB. So what will I2 be? I2 is, since I2 is the difference of these two, so it will be IA minus IB. Okay, so it'll be 3 minus 1, which is 2 amps. Okay, so that's I2. Or 1 minus 3, and take the absolute value of it. Okay, so I2, that's 2 amps. Now let's find these voltages. Okay, let me first erase all of this. Okay, so now we know that V equals IR. So for this one, we see there's a 3 amp current moving through the 8 ohm resistor. So it'll be 3 times 8, which is 24 volts. Okay, so that's for V1. V2, we see there is a 2 amp current moving through a 3 ohm resistor, so that's 6 volts. And for V3, we see that the 1 amp current is moving through the 6 ohm. So it'll be 1 times 6, and that's 6 volts. Alright, so those are your answers.